Have you ever craved something crunchy, nutty, and absolutely addictive? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make the crunchiest peanut burger you have ever tasted. Once you start munching, there is no going back. Let's get started. For ingredients, I'll need nutmeg, sugar and baking powder, some milk, 3 eggs, vanilla extract, and then my cooking oil. Okay, and this is all multi-purpose flour. The next thing I want to do is to spread out my groundnut and pick out the broken and dirty ones from it. Okay, you need whole groundnut for making of this beautiful peanuts. After picking out your groundnut, the next thing to do is to pour it into a bowl and then blanch it. You need hot water, so just pour some hot boiling water into this groundnut, add some salt into it and then cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the salt can be well incorporated into the groundnut. Leave the groundnut on the sieve so that the water can dry out. After that, spread it on the flat tray and let it dry under the sun or air dry it. This can take between 15 to 20 minutes before this can be achieved. So let's start by preparing our other ingredients. Into my 3 cups of flour, I added my powdered milk and also half cup of sugar, my nutmeg, a little pinch of salt, and then half teaspoon of baking powder. Stir this together until they are completely mixed. Okay, the flour mix is our magic dust. It gives the peanut its irresistible crunch. In another separate bowl, crack open your 3 eggs, then added my vanilla extract. I added 1.5 spoons of vanilla extract. Mix that thoroughly together until smooth, after which you now set it aside. Okay, now that our groundnut is ready, you should always make sure that your groundnuts are clean and dry. If they are damp, the coating won't stick and that is a crunchy crime. Okay, so pour your dried groundnut into a bowl. This is the bowl we are using to mix everything. Okay, then go in with your wet ingredient first, after which you shake like you can see me in the video. So after mixing the wet ingredients with the groundnut, coat again with your dry ingredients and shake. And now the fun part, all you need to do is coat, shake and repeat again. For every 2 spoons of wet ingredients goes equal amount of 2 spoons of dry ingredients. For a very crunchy and coated peanut, you can do this for about 4 or 5 times. Don't rush this step. Crunch is a process. Okay, do this until you have toasted all your ingredients, both the wet and the dry ones. After coating your peanut, you have to shake off excess flour from it. This is an important step in order to prevent early burning. When this is done, the next thing to do is to fry. Heat your oil on medium heat. Drop a peanut or 2. If it dances, it is ready, as you can see in the video. Fry in small batches so they don't get stick together. Stir gently so they can cook evenly. Okay, fry until golden brown and looking crispy. Repeat the same step for the other ones. Do not overcrowd your groundnut oil with too many peanuts at a time. It will easily get burnt or it may even make it soak up the oil. And just like that, guys, you have made for yourself a very crunchy and beautiful coated peanut. This beautiful snack can be enjoyed with cold drinks such as hibiscus or zobo drink, smoothies, fruit juice, soft drink, anything at all. It can be packed into your children's lunchbox as snacks to school. You can take it to your offices or it can be enjoyed when watching a movie. Okay, so after frying your peanuts, store it in an airtight container or in a nylon and seal it up. It can last at home. You can keep it in your freezer or any cool and dry place. And that is it, guys. You have made for yourself a very crunchy and beautiful peanuts. I hope you'll be trying this recipe. So if you'll be trying it, let me know in the comment section. So if you have watched these videos to this time and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you are doing, please click on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't get to miss any beautiful and interesting videos that will be coming up on this channel. So until next week, I'll be coming again with another beautiful and interesting videos. God bless you and bye.